Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm TruLuv with TruLuv Designs, and today I'm coming to you with a fabric haul. I am going to share with you what I purchased, and it did come from Hobby Lobby. I did pick up a few other miscellaneous items, and I'll start with those. First, we have this pack of curved safety pins. And just let me say, when I saw these pins, I was like, oh, there's some bent pins in there. And then I looked at another box, they were the same. And I actually took the time out to stop and read and saw that it said curved safety pins. And I was like, okay, now I feel really silly. But I realized how much these could help when doing alterations and you're trying to fit to a person's curves. These curved safety pins would work great in my opinion. Next, I did pick up a marking pen. It's one of the more common marking pens with the purple and blue end. This is a fatter one. Hopefully it will do me justice and last a lot longer. I have one already like this, but for some reason I cannot find it. Then I also picked up a gold zipper, and it was on sale for $1.99, and this one is 20 inches, and I'll show you what my thoughts was for this zipper. So their fall fabric is still on sale for 40% off. I wanted 2-yard cuts of all of the fabrics that I purchased. With the exception of 2, I had to take just pretty much what they had left on the boat. Okay, so with all these cuts of fabric, I had in mind of making pencil skirts. I need more skirts in my wardrobe. So there's a skirt that I saw on Pinterest many years ago, and I've wanted to make this skirt for so long. So on searching my Pinterest board, I could not find a skirt. So one day, just randomly, it popped up. But every time I tapped the picture, it would take me to similar items, but never that item. So I did a Google photo search and it came up. And then after that, the next day, it popped up on my Pinterest board. Isn't that weird? I thought so too. But as you can see, this is exactly why I like this skirt. It is a pencil skirt. It is fitted to the body. And I think this fabric of this skirt is woven. It looks woven to me. But this zipper down the back, I absolutely love it. I also like the fact that it's exposed. It's really, really cute. So that's one reason I bought the zipper. Secondly, I have a wool skirt in my closet. It is a pencil skirt, and it has an invisible zipper down the back of it. So you can also unzip it to give yourself, like a mock vent. And since I had that skirt, I always wanted to make a skirt similar to that one. And the one that I showed you that is giving me all these struggles, the thigh slit in the front was the closest to it that I've ever found. And I was shocked that I found a pattern similar to it. So I was excited about that skirt, and stay tuned because part 2 of that video is coming, okay? But anyway, let's jump into these fabrics. Okay, so this first piece of fabric is a multicolor African print. It is 100% cotton, and it is this here. And what attracted me to this is the bold blue colors. Now, for some reason, I feel like I already have this fabric in my stash, and mind you, I still haven't even checked my stash to see if I already have this fabric. So I still don't know, but who really cares? They didn't quite have 2 yards of this fabric. I had to settle for 1 7/8, which was close enough for me. The next fabric is described as black dot orange. This fabric here, this is the one that I saw previously, and I knew I wanted to go back and get it. This one was also 40% off. It's 100% cotton, and I just love this. I love it, love it, love it. And I did get 2 full yards of this one. The next fabric is described as sunflowers with squirrels. It's also 100% cotton, and I got 2 full yards of this one. Now, what's funny is that I didn't even notice the squirrels on this fabric until I just looked at the description of this fabric. Had I seen them, I may not have gotten it because I'm really not a fan of wearing animals on me, actual pictures of animals, but I have it already, so what can I do? And I love it, and I'm gonna use it. And it's this fabric here. It is so beautiful, vibrant, pretty, colorful. It has a lot of my favorite fall colors in it. And if I didn't say it already, I realized that I am a sucker for fall fashion. I don't like really cold weather. I prefer fall temps where it's not too cold, not too hot, maybe a light to heavy sweater, but you're not too uncomfortable. I love fall clothing, but I do not like cold weather. And I realized that most of the sewing I do and a lot of the fabrics I pick up are more for cooler weather, fall colors, fall clothing. If you've noticed, I really haven't sewn anything for summer. And I usually don't sew a lot of things for summer. One, because I'm in the office most of the time and I really don't go too many places now that my husband works at night. And so I just kind of skip over summer. The things I want to wear for summer, you know, I usually wouldn't be able to wear them for work. So I've just kind of not intentionally avoided them, but I am really trying to make things that I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of. And like someone said, what even is a special occasion? Every day that you're alive is a special occasion. So any day is a day to wear anything that you have in your wardrobe, or just whatever, wear the things. And that's what I'm gonna do. Now the next fabric is described as rustic woven. It is in the color of olive green. It's also 100% cotton. And let me just say that there were about 3 to 4 fabrics that were named rustic woven. And I believe just because it's the type of colors that it is, it's like it just falls into the rustic family. There is an orange, a red, and this green, and maybe a brown, I believe. But it is this color here. Now I have grown to love this color on me. It is one of the colors, I forgot what they said I am, but this fits into like my what do you call it, color theory, I don't know. But anyway, this is one of my colors and I really love this color. Now the reason for me buying 2 yards of all these fabrics again is to make pencil skirts, and I really wanted one in olive green. But let me tell you, now when I got home and I was looking through my bag, these 2 fabrics were together like this. Can't you just see how well these fabrics mesh together? And you could make a really cute ensemble, separates, or even like a single dress, different at the top, different on the bottom. A cute ensemble, just look at that. I just think these 2 mesh so well together. So my initial thought with this green fabric was to put this gold zipper down the back, and it would be an exposed zipper. I feel like that would be really cute. Then I also had the idea to either make like a 1-piece woven dress where the top is this color and the bottom is this, or vice versa. I'm not sure which one works well or best together. And initially I was just gonna make this a pencil skirt by itself, but like I said, once I saw them together, I was like, oh no, that's just gonna be off the chain. And can't you see this with this zipper running down it? Like even if it was a dress, a zipper down the front or down the back, I just think that would be like so super cute. Normally, I don't do any videos about pattern matching my fabrics unless it's something very intentional that I'm working on. So I really didn't have a pattern in mind for this. Or had I settled on if I was gonna make separates, a 1-piece dress, or what? I don't know. But I got a comment on a video from 2 years ago about Simplicity S9295, which is this pattern here. And when I did this, I made view A, which is this one here, the sleeveless one, black and white, black with white polka dots. My subscriber said that she was working on view C of this pattern, but struggling a little bit, and asked if I had a tutorial on it. And I don't, because at the time I didn't feel like my audience was really into vintage. But after I read that comment, I'm like, oh my God, that's my answer to what I'm gonna do with this fabric. I feel like that pattern is perfect to make this into a top, into this top in particular. And since she's working on view C, I can dig it. I'm going to use this fabric to make view C of this pattern. I'll do a tutorial for it. So if you are also interested in this pattern, stay tuned, because it will be soon, because I'm wearing this out. I'm gonna wear it out. And when I say wear it out, I mean like I'm wearing it outside of my house. Like I'm gonna wear it so many times you're gonna get tired of seeing me in it. Wear it out. Like I'm wearing it this fall. And then what I'm going to do is exactly what I said. I'm going to make this into a pencil skirt with this beautiful gold zipper down the back. So stay tuned, because I really got excited about that. And I just want to say thank you to my subscriber that left that comment, because it was just what I needed, because I was racking my brain about what to do. And she needs a tutorial, and I need a skirt and a blouse. So why not? Worked out perfectly. Like God sends people your way just in time. He always gives you what you need. Not when you want it, but right on time. If you liked this fabric haul, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you've hit that like button, because there are more great things in store. I've been absent and kind of inconsistent for a little while, but it is the 1 year anniversary of my mom's passing. So just kind of from Mother's Day until like her burial date, it was kind of rough, pretty rough. But I'm back in the game, and I'm really feeling inspired to do a lot of other things. I have quite a few ideas that have been just playing around in my head and dropped in my spirit, and like it's really heavy on my heart to do. So I look forward to sharing all of my makes with you, the upcoming ideas and everything that is in store in my future, because I think it's gonna be great. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will definitely see you soon. Until next time, keep sewing.